but we saw the Jewish culture all around. 1978, that's the date for the Nobel Prize for Isaac Bashevis Singer, which is extremely important for people because he was here, he was in Lublin, Biłgoraj, Warsaw. All those places are recorded in his writings, but there was very little of the publications available. So that's exactly the time that translations started to be published, either old translations from before Second World War or new translations that made after the war that were brought to public and published in Polish. First from English, actually. Very much of the early translation of Isaac Bashevis Singer were from English, so-called authorized translations.